Hi, I'm Katherine from Shiloh, Manitoba. I have put to the test the GermGuardian 4-in-1 Air Purifier. I have a hard time finding out if it's actually working well or not. I guess that's kind of the point. But I've been putting it to the test. I'm seeing less air particles kind of flying around, that dust that catches the sunlight. My son does have seasonal allergies, and he's been sleeping great. It's actually a big enough system that I've been able to store it on my upstairs floor where all of our bedrooms are, and it does the whole area. So I do like it. It does make me feel better that I'm doing something to try and clean the air, especially everything going on right now with all the extra germs. I've got young kids, they're in school. So it makes me feel good being able to use that. I do find it a little bit loud. However, my kids complain a little bit if I turn it on at bedtime that it is loud. I would recommend the GermGuardian 4-in-1 Air Purifier, though I'm not 100% satisfied with it. It does make me feel better having it going. The reassurance that the air is being cleaned. So would maybe recommend a similar system. I just find that this particular one is rather loud. It is a little bit bigger of a system. You might not need something this large, but I really particularly enjoy the timer feature. So you can set it for either 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours, and it'll automatically turn off at that point. That is convenient. There are 3 speed options as well. So if you do find it is too loud, you can put it down to 1. Even on number 2, it is kind of loud. I can switch it on here. It's on system 2 right now. It does also have the UV and a nightlight that you can turn on the front, which is kind of fun. But in the evenings, if you're somebody that likes white noise, you'd probably be okay with the noise that it makes, but I find it's a bit loud for us.